Okay? School uniform with your ribbons and your sablon. That's all. Okay?
Nakpak ka mo, nalipay ka mo, payaan ka mo. Nakpak ka mo.
Police for you. This is it. We are training our learners to be disciplined and obedient to authority. What kind of attitude are we giving them? What kind of practice and what kind of examples are we giving them? Disobedience to lawful authorities?
Suksok nyo lagi mo.
I don't want to see anybody with your hats and your togas because it is not indeed order.
Nagsaylo ko man sa iyong mga eskwelahan daw. Hindi, campus lang dyan. Ang muna playas, tapos luwaan na.
Advisors to write the names of those who violated the authority.